What's up, guys? Thank you for joining me today in another video series with FX. My name is Farrell Isoje, and in this video series, we are going to be looking at prop firm trading challenge, instant funding with BluFX, TraderCentra, and the fivers in my forest fund. As promised from my previous video, I told you I was going to sign up with one of them and do a live trading example. So that's what we are going to be looking at in this series. So without further ado, let's jump right into a chart and see how far we've gone. So guys, you can see this is MT5 account with TC Bridge. That's Trader Central. And from what we have here, you can see that I have a $2,000 here, a live account, as you can see. And from what we have here, you can see a $2,000 live account with Trader Central. As promised from a previous video, you can see I took up the instant funding, the $2,000. This is a live account. We have the challenge. One of the reasons that made me took the Trader Central, you can see it's because of its cost. You can see the $2,000 cost as low as $59. So I'm going to be trading this until I make my first withdrawal, and I will be carrying you guys along my live trading examples on a day-to-day basis. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, ensure you do. If you're not following, ensure you do. Please smash the like button to be sure you keep up to date when my new video drops on this. And you can see from the previous video review I did on Trader Central, you can see it's very affordable. The $2,000 cost me just $59 to sign up. It's a live account. You can see on this from my trade now. So I'm going to start the trading any moment and keep you up to date regarding this. You can see from the challenge plan, it's also very affordable. The 5,000 only cost $40, way cheaper than most other prop firms out there. You can also see from the from the $10,000, the $50,000 cost just $200 for sign up on the challenge plan. So it's very cool and unique. It's something you would like to try out. They've scrapped out the 200,000 and the 100,000 challenge plan this month. So I don't know the possible reason why for that effect, but it's fine. They also have a good scaling plan. Be sure to click on the link and check it out yourself below. So other than this, which I'll be trading, so this is just the fresh chart. I just install it, and so I want to customize my view. So using the Stupefree FX trading template, which I already designed. So I've already imputed it here. So what I just do is to open. You can see, voila, just with a click of a button, I have this all set. So to ensure you don't miss out all my trade, ensure you follow me on Telegram to see all my live trade, all the my failures as well as my successes. You will see right there. This was traded today for the $1, and you can see you also have the benefit to use my trade as conference for you, or just copy and use it if you are confident in my trade. You can see I keep on making profit, and those who are following me, they are benefiting from it. So be sure to follow me on my Telegram channel so you don't miss out on this series. Other than this, I have also signed up with the BluFX live account as well. You can see from this point, I just signed up with the BluFX live account. You can see $25,000. So I will be trading this as well. So I'll be giving you updates on how all of these are, you know, go. So in order for you not to miss out on any of this, ensure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Telegram so you get update on all my trades. So I'll be giving up $5,000 problem challenge to a random person in my Telegram channel, as well as those who subscribe. So be sure to subscribe so you stand the chance of winning this opportunity. So now I'm going to keep you up to date. I'm already up by $71 already. I've already started trading on this. So I'll keep you up to date on this so you don't miss out on it. And then that's of the TraderCentra as well. So here I'm going to be concentrating on GBP USD pair, trading only GBP USD here. And on the BluFX, I'm going to be trading on the gold USD. So I will be separating these two series from here on, and so that you can follow whichever one you're interested in. If it's BluFX, you follow. If it's TraderCentra, you follow. Ensure the links to this program is in the description below. The BluFX, you can see it require monthly fee, but you see it gives you higher trading capital. I signed up with £99 rather, and you can see it requires a monthly fee. So whichever one you prefer, do make sure you check it out and make a decision. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video where I'll take you along with my trading progress, and hopefully you join my Telegram channel so you stand the chance of winning my giveaway at the end of this series. When I make a withdrawal, I'll be sponsoring one random follower in my Telegram channel and those who subscribe to my YouTube. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.